Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm gonna do another giveaway unboxing. Yay, so excited. Okay, this was from an Instagram giveaway that I won with Makeup Glamour follower. Somebody that I follow, she does makeup as well, but she collabed with a lash brand called Charmed and Armed, I believe. I'm not sure, because in the box they sent it. The box doesn't have their business name, so I'm confused. But I'm pretty sure the business sent it to me. So it's pretty cool that I won another pair of lashes. So I'm gonna show y'all first. So this is how it came. Okay, not gonna lie, yesterday, since it didn't have a name, I was like, where is this from? I was confused, so I had to check a little bit, and I was like, that's a lot of lashes, and some surprising things here at the top that I don't remember what I want. I knew it was lashes, but I didn't think it's gonna be that much. I was like, it's because I really need lashes. I used the old ones, some rip, but since some don't, I take care of them, so this way they don't look as old. But okay, I'm just gonna start with the first one. Okay, yes, that's the brand. Let me open the plastic. Okay. Oh wow, that's new for me. They tell you how to use it. Oh, this is dope. I've never seen somebody do that as their packaging. Okay, so this is a slip-in lash box. These are really pretty. They're natural. Like I mentioned last video, I'm loving the natural lashes now. Oh, they feel soft. So I don't know if they're mink or foaming. I forgot to check. I checked on their website and it says that it's luxury mink but cruelty-free lashes. To me, it's still considered mink lashes, but in their bio it says they're synthetic and natural and cruelty-free, so it's confusing. I don't know if it's silk or mink, maybe some, I don't know. But it's finesse. Wait, where's the name? Oh, it's right. These are more dramatic. Okay, there you go. It's the glare that doesn't let me see it. These are really pretty. Wow, I love the level lashes as well. Not just natural, I love big ones. Okay, so this one's bougie. Okay, these are volumized as well. They're big. Are they the same? They look really similar to me. I don't know. Maybe one is bigger. The next one is CEO. Alright, I'm loving the names. So these are dramatic as well. I can't tell. I think these are bigger. I don't know. They look very similar to it. The next is Charmed and Armed. This is the business name. Okay, wow. These are like wispy, longish, but natural. It's in between this. It's called Cloud. They look like pubic hair to me, so I'm pretty sure they're mink. I don't like mink lashes, but mink lashes, they poke my eye and they feel like actual hair and they look like pubic hair. Let's be honest. I'm sure I'm not the only one who thinks that, but especially the ones that look like these, like spread out. And these are the ones that shed on me, not the synthetic ones. That's why go with cruelty-free. They're better for you, the environment. If you still use mink, that's up to you. I don't judge, but I still use them because I win them in giveaways and I need lashes, so I'm like, I have to use whichever one at this point. So just letting y'all know. But if I buy I prefer to buy I flip the foaming, cruelty free, everything. No, not tested on animals or anything. Okay, so this is called Extra. They don't look the same to me. The big ones. Okay, let me change it up. So this is black lash liner adhesive. Oh, and this is a brown lash liner adhesive. So this is like an eyeliner, and you put it right here in your eyelid, and then you just glue your lashes on. It's like a regular black liner, like a wing liner, and it has glue at the same time. So it's a lash glue and eyeliner 2-in-1, like in one. Like, you see, it's an eyeliner pencil, but it also has lash glue inside. So after you apply your eyeliner, you put your lashes on and it sticks because it has glue. So it is convenient to put your eyeliner and then put glue on your lash. So you save money this way, and it's very useful and helpful. So I liked it. I haven't tried a brown eyeliner before, so that's pretty cool. Like, let me show you. Let me see. Oh wow, even the packaging is brown. It looks cool. Okay, I like it. I like it. So this is exciting. So, okay. So the rest of the lashes, I'm almost done. It's called Iconic. Okay, these are more natural. I like these. Yeah, these I'm gonna be using a lot of natural more often. So, oh wow, they changed the packaging. Oh, duh! I thought it was lashes, and no, they're nails. I didn't know there were gonna be nails sent to me. Oh yeah, it reminded me. Hold up, that's the back. These are like pink hollow. I don't wear press-on nails because me desespera. Like, I get anxious. I can't stop playing with them. As soon as I put them on, I have to take them off because I can't do stuff. I can't grab stuff. I can't do. It's just, I just want to take everything. Same with what else? I think as for now, like, I don't like asking people, help me with this. Can you open this water for me? Can you give me this? Because I can't do anything with fake nails, even though they're short and small. But that's just me. Like, I'm a nail polish girl, but I'm gonna try to force myself to use fake nails for once. I've never got them done in a salon or like nail spot. Like, I don't even know the name of those places because I've never gone. I've only done them myself, DIY, or these that I buy from Walmart, and I don't have the patience to have to take them. Not only that, I have really small fingers. I'm petite, so I have kid size nails, so they don't fit me either. So I just can't deal with the fake nails. It's just, they look really pretty and nice when other people use them, but for me, I just can't. It's just annoying to me. Like, get it off now. Like, that's how I feel. Like, I don't know how to explain it. Like, I don't know if I'm the only one, but for now that I've met people that haven't had that issue, I don't know why. It's just kind of like, I don't know how to say it in English. Like, ansias, I don't know, like, or annoyed. Like, I can't grab any. Okay, I need to stop talking. But it did reminded me of this brand. This specific brand took a long time to ship my stuff, so I asked the girl, the host of that giveaway, hey, so when is the package coming, etc., etc. I can't remember the exact words I said, but she was like, oh, let me tell them, let me ask them. And I was like, okay, sure. She took a while for me because I'm impatient, so I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna ask the brand personally. And then I asked them, and then they didn't reply at all. So I was like, this is fishy to me. This looks weird. And then a while later, the other lady, the host of this giveaway, she messaged me. She sent me a screenshot. They sent it to somebody else's house, so that's why I barely got it sent. So they finally fixed it and they sent it to my address now. So yeah, that's pretty interesting. And then she only messaged her but not me, which is weird from a brand. Like, I don't know if she was scared that I was gonna get mad at her. She was like, or what, or something, because she didn't ship my price right, or I don't know. It was so strange. So I get a little iffy vibes from this brand. They're not professional to me. But I don't know. So just I like to give the tea. I know I like to share stuff. So in case y'all are interested in this brand, just I'm letting y'all know they don't reply to you if you have a question. In case you do end up having a shipping problem with them, they're not gonna answer to you. So you're gonna have to ask the other lady or whoever they want to answer to only. So yeah, I'm just yeah. Okay, so there's another nail. Okay, I prefer these. These matte ones, they look prettier. They're like, oh no, not the same color, but I don't know if it's from their brand or they just added them because they felt bad, because I don't remember this was in the giveaway picture. And they sell almond and stiletto nails. Okay, bye. Okay, these ones. I probably do a video of you putting them out. I don't have glue, no glue, so never mind. Okay, the next pair of lashes are called VIP. Okay, these are pretty natural. I love the natural ones. I think the last one is another natural one. It's called Snatched. Wow. So yeah, that's basically it. How many lashes did they say? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7. Okay, I'm counting 9. Wow, that's a lot. That's a lot. I'm grateful because I needed lashes. Okay, and then 2 pair of noses. Oh snap! There's just 5 here and 5 here, so do I have to mix and match, or maybe they're at the bottom? I don't know. But yeah, that's basically it. Thanks for watching. So, and yeah, I'll put everything in the description. So yes, bye.